How to share your TAP score report. If there's somebody you want to share your TAP score water quality testing report with, maybe a neighbor, a friend, a family member, maybe a water treatment professional who's deciding what kind of water filtration system to recommend or install, you'll want to show them your laboratory testing results. So to show them your TAP score report, I'm going to walk you through the easy steps to do so. First, you're going to log into app.mytapscore.com, username and password, and you'll navigate to tests, which I've already done. That's why it's blue up here. When you navigate to tests, you'll see in process tests and completed tests. And assuming you're trying to share a completed lab test, you'll navigate to that test. In this case, I'm going to try and share 53HRWQ, this advanced city water test. And you'll see a button in the bottom right corner that says share. I'm going to go ahead and click that button. You'll see a pop-up. This is a sharing pop-up. You have two core options on the sharing pop-up. You can either share the report with anyone who has the link below, this link here. You can copy that link, put it in an email, put it in a text message, and anyone who views that link will see your lab report. You can even anonymize the report, so anyone who sees this link will see the lab report, but they will not see your specific address and they will not see your name. So you have the choice to anonymize it or not. You copy the link by pushing this button or copying it, Control-C or Apple-C. Copy the link, share it accordingly, however you want, with whomever you want. And with that link, they'll be able to view the online report. I'm going to show you what it looks like when online sharing is disabled. So if online sharing is disabled, then viewing the report is going to require signing in with username and password. So if you don't want to give people your username and password, which we generally advise against, the best way to share a report is to change this to anyone with the link. Get this link, which is your link to your report. Decide if you want it anonymized or not. You can preview what this will look like here. Copy the link and send it to them. Now, there's one more element of this I want to show, which is the report download. Oftentimes, people want to have a copy of the report downloaded and saved on their computer or sent as an email attachment. If you want to do it that way rather than sharing the link, you'll click the little caret on the bottom here, and you'll have a bunch of options for generating a PDF download. You can see them all here. A PDF summary without an evaluation. And what that means is we're not comparing the results in the PDF. We're not comparing your results to things like the EPA MCL or the EPA MCLG or the HGL. It's the opportunity here to kind of download a PDF that either shows a comparison against these benchmarks or doesn't. And you can kind of play around with this and download it a couple different times and find the format you want to download to your computer. You can also download a CSV file, like an Excel file, one that you open up in a spreadsheet and can play with or share or save for the future or for some kind of an analysis. If you're running a bunch of different TAP score tests, you want to compare results and do some graphing or analysis, you can download each of them as a CSV file in this manner. Okay, so doing so would be as simple as making that selection. Again, you have the choice to anonymize your report or not, removing the name and address of the results, and then you click download PDF, download by clicking that button, and off you go. If you have any questions at all about downloading a PDF or generating the share report link, just leave those questions in the comments below, or you can reach out to our team very easily, just about everywhere in the TAP score universe. You have a little live chat pop up here. We've got real people. You can email, you can chat, you can call us on the phone, and we can walk you through these steps. Thank you for listening, and we look forward to seeing and hearing from you soon.